Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving deep into a technical indicator that was built for one thing and one thing only: speed. Seriously, if you've ever had that frustrating feeling that your trading signals are just one step behind the market, well, you are definitely going to want to pay close attention to the triple exponential moving average, or as we call it, TEMA. So, here's our game plan. We're going to start with the big problem, lag. Then we'll introduce TEMA as the solution. Peel back the layers to see how it works, and then jump into the fun stuff, actual trading strategies. After that, we'll weigh the pros and cons to give you the full picture. All right, first things first, let's really set the stage here. We need to talk about a fundamental challenge that pretty much every single trader using a standard moving average runs into, and that problem is lag. I mean, does this sound familiar? It's one of the most maddening things in trading, right? You spot a trend starting to take off, you're waiting for your indicator to give you the green light, but by the time it finally does, a huge chunk of the move is already over. It's that exact problem, that costly delay, that TEMA was built to destroy. And this really gets to the heart of it. You know, traditional moving averages, they're always looking in the rearview mirror. They're built using past price data, so by their very nature, they can't help but lag behind what's happening right now. And that little delay, well, it can be the difference between a fantastic entry and feeling like you're just chasing the price. So, how do we fix this? How do we get ahead of the curve? Well, let's meet the solution. This goes back to 1994, when a developer named Patrick Mulloy decided to engineer an indicator specifically to go to war with this problem of lag. And here it is, the triple exponential moving average, TMA. Now, if you only remember two things from this definition, make it these: reduce lag and more responsive. By using this really unique triple smoothing formula, TMA manages to hug the price action much, much closer, giving you a faster but still incredibly smooth look at what the market is doing. So what TEMA really tries to do is give you the best of both worlds. On one hand, you get the speed you need to catch trends early, but on the other, it's still smoothing out a lot of that distracting market noise. It's like having a really good filter that doesn't slow you down, which makes it an awesome tool for spotting trends and acting on them fast. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how on earth does it actually pull this off? How does it reduce the lag? Let's pop the hood and take a look. And don't worry, we're going to skip the super heavy math and just focus on the core concept, which is honestly pretty genius. So, it's this clever four-step dance. First, it calculates a normal EMA from the price. Simple enough. Then it gets interesting. It calculates an EMA of that first EMA, and then it does it a third time. Now, each of these steps adds more smoothing, but it also adds more lag. So here's the magic trick. In the final step, it uses a special formula to combine these three and actually subtracts the extra lag it created. The result is a final line that gets yanked much, much closer to the current price. And this right here, this is the engine that makes it all work. Now, you don't need to calculate this yourself, thank goodness, but just looking at it tells you the secret. See how it puts a ton of weight on that first, fastest EMA, and then it subtracts the laggier ones? That's the mathematical trick that cancels out a huge chunk of the delay. It's brilliant. So what does all that clever math actually get you? Well, here's the payoff, side by side. When you look at lag and responsiveness, TEMA just blows the others out of the water. It's specifically built to give you the fastest signal possible, making it a dream for traders who need to react in a split second, especially when a market is really trending. Okay, enough with the theory, let's get down to business. How do you actually use TEMA to make real-world trading decisions? Let's talk strategy. The first and most fundamental job of TEMA is just helping you see the trend clearly. It's super simple. If the price is staying above a TEMA line that's pointing up, hey, you're in an uptrend. If it's below a line that's pointing down, you're in a downtrend. And here's a pro tip. Look at the angle. The steeper that slope, the stronger the momentum is. Now, this is where TEMA's speed really starts to pay off. The classic crossover signal. When the price cuts above the TEMA line, that's your potential buy signal. When it slices below, that's a potential sell. And the key thing here is that because there's so much less lag, you often get these signals way earlier than you would with a regular EMA or SMA, giving you a massive head start. Okay, here's a slightly more advanced technique that I love. In a really strong trend, TEMA often acts like a moving support or resistance level. Think of it like a trampoline. In a strong uptrend, the price will run up, then pull back to bounce off the TEMA line before shooting higher again. Those little pullbacks can be absolutely golden opportunities to jump into a trend with lower risk. Now, this is absolutely crucial, so listen up. No indicator, I repeat, No indicator is a magic crystal ball. TEMA is just one tool in your toolbox. You should always, always look for confirmation. A crossover signal is way more powerful if it happens on a big spike in volume. A bounce off the TEMA is way more reliable if you see a nice bullish candlestick form right on it. You have to use other tools to build a solid case for every single trade. All right, let's get real for a second. No indicator is perfect, and TEMA is absolutely no exception. So it's only fair that we put its biggest strengths right next to its biggest weaknesses. You have to know the trade-offs. And here it is, the classic double-edged sword. TEMA's greatest strength, its incredible sensitivity, is also the source of its main weakness. When the market is in a nice, clear trend, TEMA is an absolute beast. But if the market is just chopping around sideways with no real direction, that same sensitivity can give you a ton of false signals, getting you in and out of trades for small losses. They call that getting whipsawed, and it is no fun at all. Okay, let's bring this all home. We've seen how TEMA works, we've looked at how to use it, and we've talked about the pitfalls. So the big question now is this the right tool for you? Where does it fit in your trading arsenal? So after seeing all of this, its incredible speed in trending markets, and its tendency to get faked out in choppy ones, we have to ask, who is this indicator really built for? Who's the ideal user? Here's the deal. TEMA is a specialist's tool. It's not for every person or every market. It truly shines for short-term traders, day traders, scalpers, and for trend followers who need to get in and out quickly. But if you're trying to trade a market that's just stuck in a boring sideways range, TEMA's sensitivity is probably going to drive you crazy. And I think this quote just nails it. This is the ultimate takeaway. Using an indicator like TEMA isn't just a technical choice. It's a reflection of your trading philosophy. It forces you to answer a question about yourself. Do I want to chase that early signal knowing it's riskier? Or am I the kind of trader who would rather wait for safer but later confirmation? How you answer that doesn't just tell you how to use TEMA. It tells you a whole lot about who you are as a trader.